In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the year-over-year difference of the percent of total in Tableau. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to analyze changes in data over time, providing insights into trends and helping make informed decisions. Let's get started with this straightforward process. Begin by opening the Tableau public app. If you don't have it installed already, you can download it from Tableau's official website. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet where you have your data ready for analysis. If this is your first time, you might want to set up your data set in a way that makes it easy to work with, such as spreadsheets for dates and sales figures. Now drag the Order Date field to the column section of your worksheet. This action will set the foundation for your timeline, allowing you to view data across different years. Next, take your Sales field and drag it over to the Text area. This helps visualize your sales numbers directly in the Tableau, making it easier to parse and analyze. Once you've got your initial setup ready, you'll notice a drop-down arrow on the right side of the Sales field you've just dragged onto Text. Click on this drop-down and a menu will appear. You'll want to proceed by selecting Quick Table Calculation. This brings up another set of options. Select year-over-year growth from this list. This is where Tableau starts to work its magic, automatically calculating the growth from one year to the next based on your sales data. To delve deeper, click on the Analysis tab at the top of your screen and choose Create Calculated Field. In the dialog that appears, give your new field a relevant name like percent of total. In the calculation area, input your query and then click OK. This calculated field will allow you to compute the percent of the total directly. You'll need to open another calculated field by repeating the previous steps. This time, name it percent difference and type your query to calculate the variation. Once done, drag this percent difference field to the text area of your worksheet. Now let's move on to formatting your result for better clarity. Begin by right-clicking on the percent difference within the text area and selecting Format from the context menu. Within the pane that appears, locate the section labeled Numbers. Here, you have the option to choose how your numbers are displayed. To really highlight the nature of your calculation, select the percentage option. This will adjust all the figures to display as percentages, immediately contextualizing your year-over-year differences in a way that's easy to understand at a glance. And there you have it. You've just successfully calculated and formatted the year-over-year difference of the percent of total in Tableau. Following these steps will help you unlock greater insights from your data, aiding your business or research endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.